Over the last many years, residents' most asked for new park improvement has been for a splash pad. Well, wait no more. You've likely witnessed the location of this new amenity in the 16-acre park taking shape in Ramsey's downtown. The Waterfront includes a 7.5-acre deep water pond at its center, and in 2024, a trail was constructed around it, complete with outdoor furniture and the first phase of tree establishment. Work has already begun on the water play elements on the east side. This portion of the park will feature a large decorative concrete plaza surrounded by densely landscaped earthen berms and copious natural stone seating areas. From the highest point of the interior of the site, a cascading waterfall will flow into a meandering shallow stream that runs through the decorative concrete plaza. Feeding this stream will be 90 interactive spray nozzles in a variety of jets, sprays, bubblers, and fountains, with one zone including LED nighttime lighting. These interactive water elements will provide a vibrant and dynamic atmosphere during our warm months, and the surrounding landscape, seating, and architectural features will also be an attraction during the evening and shoulder seasons with gas fire pits and an array of ample seating and picnic opportunities. To support the anticipated volume of summertime visitors, the project will include a new park support building housing restrooms, a family changing room, mechanical and utility space, and storage. Enhancing your experience, the site will also feature 3 shade pavilions surrounding the plaza with picnic tables, high-top surfing tables, and electrical outlets and lighting. It'll also feature several fixed shade canopies comfortably located over soft artificial turf. Site furniture, including Adirondack chairs, backed benches, chaise loungers, and picnic tables. 3 circular fire pit features for extended seasonal and evening use. And a food truck pad for concessions during the summer and special events. To put your new water play place into perspective, Maple Grove's popular splash pad has a 2,100 square foot plaza with 67 jet sprays. Ramsey's decorative concrete plaza will be 17,000 square feet with double the amount of interactive water features. And it may be useful to remind observers of this multi-million-dollar project that most park and trail improvements, like the Waterfront, are funded entirely from the Park Trust Fund, which are monies collected from developers, not derived from property taxes. This long-in-the-making park project is a direct reflection of residents' desires for their community, and, if all goes well, with an ambitious construction schedule, Ramsey's newest community park will be open just in time for summer celebrations around July 4th, 2026. Just in time for the 250th anniversary of the adoption of the Declaration of Independence. It's the perfect way to say Happy Birthday, America, right here in Ramsey.